Life is the name of discipline. Life is the name of vision. Life is the name of commitment. Life is the name of focus. Life is the name of demonstration. Demonstrate what you think. Demonstrate what you want to start. Demonstrate what you want to become. Demonstrate what you want to decorate. Demonstrate first, and then the possibilities will come to you. Failures will come, but there's no choice. Think about only positiveness. Positivity will increase your possibilities of success. Success is the name of possibility. If you want to find possibilities, then your life is going to achieve the impossible. Impossible is nothing but only your thinking. Your thinking is impossible. If you think this is possible, then this is possible. This is the time of globalization. So think global. You can achieve global fame, global success, and global achievement. You can become what you want to become, because this is the time of globalization. Can you imagine? One virus can lock the whole world. One virus can demonstrate this type of power. I have not seen in my entire life this type of situation in the whole world. World is facing this type of problem. World economy is in danger. How? Only one virus. Only one virus can change the world. So you can change the world. You have the power. You are a product of your thinking. If you think this is possible, then this is possible. And I can say with full confidence that everything is possible in this world, what you can imagine or not. Unimaginative things will happen, imaginative things will happen. Everything is possible. You can make yourself a highest achiever. Think about it. And you have the power. Don't think about minus points. Think about plus points. Plus points will make you a plus achiever. You can achieve. I am talking only one step higher than your thinking. At this time, most people are thinking about corona, but the intellectual persons, intellectual people are thinking about development of future, development of success, and decoration of life. They can change. If they can change, you can change. One fearless person can change the world. Fearless. What type of fearless? Fearless in terms of dreaming. Fearless in terms of speaking. Fearless in terms of decoration.